Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me for my birthday dinner. I am 29 now, which is crazy that this is the last year of my 20s. It's a little bittersweet, but I mean, what can you do? So I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy it. Basically, my boyfriend and I are going out to dinner tonight, so I wanted to film me getting ready. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I am going full glam today, which I haven't done in I feel like a while. Like, I don't normally wear a ton of makeup anymore, so I'm excited. I think I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow today. So I'm just gonna take some concealer to prime my eyelids, and I'm gonna set it with a little bit of powder, and we are gonna get on into it. So my dress kind of has like a pink and purple sort of vibe to it, so I think I'm gonna use the Morphe Madison Beer palette today, just because it's kind of got some like berry and rosy tones, which is kind of what I'm going for. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I think I'm gonna take the shade, let's see, I'm gonna take Emotional Bruises, which is this like matte light purple, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease. Now I think I'm gonna go in with, I hate that the shade names like are not on the palette. I think I'm gonna go in with Fight Club, which is a little bit of a darker sort of mauve-y shade. Again, it's like a matte shade, and I'm gonna put that kind of in the outer corner just to deepen this up a little bit. Okay, and now I think I'm gonna take the shade called 3553, which is this deep dark like mauve color, or I don't know, it's like a grape color, and I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner and just really focus it right there, just to really deepen this up, because you know we're going full glam today. I want to take a little bit of black, just because like I feel like I never use black, and the black in this is called Rabbit Hole. It's this one right here, and I'm just gonna take like a little pencil brush and just really like focus that right on the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna take that same blending brush and just kind of blend that out in there. We will come back to this palette. Now I think I'm going to, I don't know, I'm kind of in the mood for glitter, so let's see what I have. All right, we're gonna do this next glitter. I don't know what shade it's in. It's in shade Rose. So I'm gonna take some glitter glue. Can't even talk. I'm gonna take some glitter glue and apply that to my eye. Hopefully I can do this. Okay, I feel like I might need a brush. This is the vibe. Yay! Okay, let's do the other eye. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna try and take some of this off my face. Here's a hack. If you ever do glitter eyeshadow, just take some like Scotch tape, because you will have fallout. It's just inevitable. And in order to remove that glitter on your face, you just kind of pick it up with the tape, and most of it should come off. Not all, but most should come off onto the tape. So then you don't have a shiny, glittery face. I'm gonna apply some black eyeliner now. I'm using this eye booster from Physicians Formula. I don't even know if they still sell this, but if they still do, it's like the best. You guys need to try it. I'm just gonna put this on. Eyeliner and mascara are on. I am gonna put on lashes, but I'm gonna put them on a little bit later in the video. So let's just go ahead and keep this moving along. So let's go ahead and do primer. For primer, I will be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, my tried and true that I know will make my makeup stay on all night. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. For foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty Full Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. This is the old formula. I haven't tried the new one. just because I want to finish this one first. This is a very full coverage foundation, and that's what we're going for these days, or today at least. Full coverage for the birthday girl. So for concealer, I'm going to try this new one that I got. It's the Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Concealer. I got this at the Cosmetics Company store, which I just like discovered, and I am obsessed with that place. Like, I love it there. I got the shade Light Medium Warm, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. I figured I would try this because I love the Double Wear foundation from Estee Lauder, so hopefully this is just as good. I'm not sure what kind of coverage this concealer is supposed to give, but it's definitely not full. I mean, I don't hate it, I just wish it was more full coverage. So I like how like brightening it is though. I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna take my Chanel Teint de Soleil bronzer that I got as a gift for my birthday. I've been wanting this product since probably 2012, and I just never bit the bullet, and finally I put it on my birthday list, and my beautiful boyfriend got it for me, so kudos to him. I hate that it only comes in one shade though. I wish they had like deeper shades, because this one is like borderline too light for me, but we're gonna make it work because I wanted it so bad. So I'm just gonna, like, you can't even tell. I don't know, guys. Like, you literally cannot tell. Alright, well, I tried. That is going back to the Chanel store. Sad as that is, because it's not showing up on my face. I'm going to take this Maybelline foundation stick. It's in the darker shade. It's in the shade Coconut. I know that this works. See? It's like, this is what I was expecting from Chanel, but she didn't give it to me, so I gotta give it back to her. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. Okay, I am going to set my under eyes now, and I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder to do that. Oop, I'm getting it everywhere. Making a mess, making a mess. Okay, I'm just gonna blend out my under eyes real quick. I will literally bake my face until I can no longer bake no more. I love baking, like, especially because I have oily skin. It's my favorite thing. And in the summer, girl, I need to bake. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. So let me see. My lashes are on. I ended up wearing the velour lashes in the style Fluff and Wispy. I got them at like TJ Maxx a while ago, so I don't know if they're still around. I will try to link them below if I can find them. But now we can move on to bronzer. It's the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo, and I'm gonna use the bronzer side. And I'm just gonna take that on a brush and just kind of bronze up my face. I need some blush. So for blush, I think I'm going to do MAC Copper Tone. I've really been into this one lately, so I'm gonna take like a little brush and I'm gonna go back in with this darker matte shade. I think it's called Fight Club, and I'm just gonna run it along my lower lash line like this. I'm going to take this smaller pencil brush, first shade I use, which is this one right here. I think it's called 3553, and apply that as well, just to deepen that up. I am going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu. I'm going to take a little bit of this Morphe highlighter called Spark and just a tiny bit. I don't want to take away from the eyes, so I'm just using a little bit. Back in the palette, I'm gonna use the White Rabbit shade, which is just like a matte white, or what? It's a matte cream shade, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Okay, and I think the last thing is to apply bottom lash mascara, spray my face, and then do my lips. So let's go ahead and do all that right now. So I'm just going to spray. And I'm going to let this dry a little bit before I do bottom lash mascara so it doesn't like transfer. I'm applying a brown bottom lash mascara. On my lip liner, I'm going to do this I Love Sada E X Colourpop lip pencil in 951. I love this pencil. I'm sad I didn't buy more because it was like limited edition. For lipstick, I'm going to do Catching Feelings, which is one of my favorite from Dose of Colors. There we go. Now I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll be right back to finish the video. All right guys, I am back. I did my hair. I put on my dress. If you want to see the whole look, make sure you go and follow me on Instagram because I posted a picture over there so you guys can go see what I look like or what the dress looks like mostly. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like I said. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.